Hi everyone, so I'm back with another journal. It's not a Christmas one. I had to have a break from doing them. I think I'm done with them anyway. But yes, this is a little floral, shabby-ish journal. And I've used lots of different kits in this. I have used some of my own stuff. I've used some Ruby and Pearl, TaylorMadeJournals, the Old Design Shop, ARTYmaze. I'll mention others as I go through when I remember. So I don't know how many pages are in this, but it will be for sale. I will have a link to its listing below in the description box, as well as probably everyone that I'm mentioning or have mentioned to their Etsy store, so you can go over and take a peek, whether you're still looking at Christmas stuff or you're looking for stuff for the new year. Sorry, I keep saying right, this measures 7 and just 3/8, and this is just slightly over 4 1/4. It is a chunky little signature. There's a lot going on in there. Oh, this was the journal Bolt, which I think they've changed the name. I still would need to do some investigating. That's a bit of glue there. So investigating to find out the new shop name. We've got some buttons here. This is some cotton fabric, which is just a wraparound closure to keep it all intact. Comes off completely, so there's fluff everywhere. That's the lovely paper, the florals. So this little topper is just papers from ARTYmaze. These are, I think they might be in my shop as a freebie. This is a Tim Holtz die, butterflies ARTYmaze, and then I used my full memo to print out a lot of words. And so this journal, I'm going to call it Memories. I've got some bling there, done some stitching on the cover, the toppers, both layers, and I cut them out, this and that, using an oval die. And we've got trims here and trims there, and the inside is a couple of layers of packaging paper. So I'm using up, oh, this is from LaceBoutique1, who is Anna. What's her YouTube name? Is it Anna's Wonderland? But her, I will link it below. So this was from some of her kits. Look at these lovely ladies. This is from one of my kits, but I don't think I've got it on anywhere at the moment because I still haven't put a lot of my stuff from my website onto my coffee shop. Then here we've got this is Ruby and Pearl, and the background paper there is ARTYmaze. And then here we've got a side tuck. Little girl there is Ruby and Pearl. This paper is, I believe, is ARTYmaze. This is from, don't know who that's from. I think it's TaylorMadeJournals. Got a little bit of digital washi here, which is from, who's that from? Chapter 1 Papers. And then here we've got a pocket, and I've wrapped that around here. This is from Anna's shop as well. And then I just put a part of a label on there. And here, this is TaylorMadeJournals. There was a little rip there when I'd folded it over, scored it, and I was pulling it apart. You know, when you rip it apart, there was a bit come out. So I just put that on there as a bit of, to hide it. It was just a scrap piece of paper. Little tag here, somewhere to write, Ruby and Pearl. Here is just a cluster of things that you can use throughout the journal to make other things with. So we have this. This is from Anna's shop, which is Lace Boutique. LaceBoutique1. I think this might be Anna's as well, and that is definitely from Anna's shop. Because I'd had some printed off, then I went on and printed some, and I'd shrunk them down to fit this little journal. Then here we've got some paper from TaylorMadeJournals, and I have just put all that together like so. Then here we've got a flip out. I hope I'm in frame. Yes, I am. I keep slipping off my chair. Journal space here. Tags, I've made loads of tags with background papers and labels, images from Ruby and Pearl. This is digital washi again from chapter 1, again chapter 1 there. Scrap piece to make a pocket. This here is just some lace. Well, we have got that there, and that worked out really nice because that is that, and I had shrunk it down to a page to make some tags, and the images are from Ruby and Pearl. And then here we have got a tag. This is ARTYmaze. I believe that paper is ARTYmaze? That's ARTYmaze as well, I think. These papers there. Ruby and Pearl. Another little tag. This was a scrap piece. I believe that was from Tsunami Rose, actually. It's amazing how you find one little bit and you know who it's from. Little tag there, that is from LaceBoutique1. I just popped on the label there, which I'm just gonna do that with. Some of these papers are great because they've got great backgrounds. You only need to, like this, I didn't have to add anything apart from that and that, and I didn't have to add that, but I wanted to put tab on. But you know, there's a lot of stuff there that makes life so much easier for you. The Old Design Shop, that is from. There's a lot of noise coming from outside, so I'm sorry if you can hear that. We've just had Santa. We've just had Santa come round on his sleigh. This is a tag set that I've got on my coffee shop. It's not a freebie, but there's, I think you get about 8-10 pages with 3 on them. It's 30 tags. So I've used some of them. Then little tag here, that's ARTYmaze's paper in the background. Ruby and Pearl here. Here we have got a little flip there. This paper is from Bohemian Crafting, and a little bit of digital paper there. Got another tag, which is my tags, just floral background tags. These are great if you want to dress them up as well, like if I've got anything handy. I'm trying to keep keeping everything in my box here for now. Put all my Christmas stuff away. I am still going to be doing Christmas stuff, but not journals, just bits that I'm going to use. So these tags, Ruby and Pearl paper in the background. These little, they're like ATC size journal cards from the Old Design Shop, and then I can't remember where I got them from. But if anyone is interested, ask in the comments and I will go hunting. And that's from my full memo. The paper here is Ruby and Pearl, and I just made a pocket, some digital washi wrapped around there, and that goes in there like so. Centre of the signature, writing space, the buttons. Then here I made another pocket using Ruby and Pearl. This is the Old Design Shop, and then these little images, they are so cute. And these are from the Old Design Shop, and that is from Ruby and Pearl. That goes in there. And then this is from TaylorMadeJournals, and obviously I'd shrunk them down, I think, to about 80%. But you know, like, I wanted to make a smaller journal. I didn't want to make a big journal. I didn't want to make a dinky journal. I just wanted to make that size journal. Excuse me. Another tag, background papers, ARTYmaze. Most of the little labels that I used are from ARTYmaze as well. Digital washi. And this tab, somebody sent me a load. Oh, I can't reach now. Always when you're trying to do stuff. No, not going to be able to do it. Hang on. Right, I've got a template for them, but I just used it and drew around bits of, like, folded bits of paper and put my little template on and cut them myself. Don't take 2 ticks because I'm not paying £20 odd for a die. I'd refuse to. Getting thrifty here in my old age. I mean, if I got one cheaper, I would buy it, but it's like £20 plus shipping, and I'm like, no. The little images again. How cute is he? How cute is he? Ruby and Pearl, the Old Design Shop, and like all the little words, like I said, are from my full memo. Here's another little cluster that I've just put together for you to do stuff with. You could make tags with these or whatever you like. That is LaceBoutique1, so is that, and I believe this is ARTYmaze, these two little pieces. So that goes on there, and we put that in there like so. Paper clip, just holding it together. I was going to staple it, but then it would ruin it if you take it apart. So yeah, this is a chunky little journal. Like I said, I don't know how many pages, but it will be written on the listing. Look at her with a little lamb. And digital washi here. This is ARTYmaze paper. That is, I think that might be TaylorMadeJournals. Love that paper. That is ARTYmaze. I've enjoyed doing, I do enjoy making like these type of journals. Have enjoyed making the Christmas stuff, but I've had enough now. Who else has had enough? I think I've seen other people, they do like a weekly thing all throughout the year where they make something like one day a week or a couple of times a month, and they just make something like Christmas. What was it? Merry Monday, I think it is. I know Leslie from 507 Willow House Journals, she does Merry Monday, and there's other people that do it as well. I know she got it from someone else, but I think that could be something that I would do. Maybe not every Monday, but just a Merry Christmas Day thing, like once or twice a month. That is a tag from my kit. That's the paper from Ruby&Pearl. Oops. But yeah, I think because it is nice to get it. I get excited when I get when it's time to start doing the Christmas stuff. Oops, I need to put a little bit of glue on there. My Fabri-Tac is running done. Need to order some more. And I've got some in here. Will it come out? No. I think I need to soak that in some like hot soapy water. I think it might be clogged. Because there's still a fair bit in there. And I'm like, I'm trying not to buy anything right now because it's, you know, it's Christmas. I've got 5 grandkids to accommodate this year. It's like, oh, stop having babies. No, I love them all to bits, so it's like, you know, it's a lot to get for them all. That's just a little cluster of bits and bobs there. So yeah, I'm trying to like focus on that rather than buying stuff, because I do have stuff to use, if you know what I mean. Not unnecessarily buying things, although glue and paper is my priority, obviously, but I do have bits of glue. I don't have to use Fabri-Tac. So there we go, that goes on there. Little lined piece here. This again is from the old design shop, and that just goes on here. That paper there is from TaylorMadeJournals. Another tag here from LaceBoutique1, and I just popped a bit of a label on there. This is LaceBoutique1 as well. Little flip there, one of my tags. These are very spring-like, these tags, and I do believe I have a set of envelopes that are similar, and papers actually. I'll link them below just in case anyone is starting to think spring. Had enough of winter already. In fact, winter's not even here yet. We're still classed as autumn, aren't we? What is it? December the something or other? End of the month it becomes winter. I'm rubbish at doing these. Hang on a sec. I'm gonna do it afterwards. There we go. There's my little journal. Like I said, this will be for sale. The link will be below. You'll find other links below as well. Go check them out if you're interested. Most of the designers, I will link Anna's shop below, which is LaceBoutique1. So go over and check them all out. Have a browse around their shop like you would do if you went to the shopping centre or the shopping mall, whatever. You know, it's like, don't just look at one thing, look at it all, because there's nothing. You can window shop, just window shop. Anyway, still haven't done that right. I haven't got equal amounts there. Sort it. So anyway, thank you for watching. Any questions, ask below, and have a great day, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye.